channel. Today's video is going to be a little different and short. I am not going to do a full face makeup. I'll just show you guys how I achieved this eye look. It is super easy and super wearable. So yeah, do watch till the end. Do comment to let me know if you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So let's begin. I'm going to start by applying eyeshadow patches to make this eye look more edgy. Then I'm going to take the shade Bare from the Huda Beauty Nude Palette, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids to smooth out everything. Then I'm going to take the shade Tickle from the same palette, and I'll apply it in my crease by to and fro motion or windshield wiper motion, whatever you want to call it. The brush I'm using is a fluffy brush. The main focus for today's eye look would be crease and outer eye corners, not the eyelids too much. This shade Tickle has a very nice pink tone, and I love how it turns out on the eye. I'm just going to blend it very nicely into my crease. Then I'm going to take this pink shade from Rimmel Crimson Edition palette, and I'm going to apply it the same way I applied the previous shade. Then I'm taking this shade Spanked from the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I'll apply it in my crease as well. Now after the shade Spanked, I'll be taking the shade Love Bite. This is more of a purple shade. Now as you can see, I'm focusing it on a very specified area, that is the middle of my crease, and I'm not going to spread it in my whole crease. I just want to give a dimension and a darker look on the middle of my eyes. That is why I'm going to focus it there and blend it really nicely. Now I'm taking the shade Raw. It is a chocolate brown kind of shade, and I'm going to apply it on my outer eye corner. Now this shade I'm taking is a very dark brown kind of shade, and it is from Morphe into James Charles palette, but I'm sure that similar shades are available in a lot of other palettes as well. You can use them. And I'm going to focus this shade on my outer eye corner as well to enhance my eyes. And then again, I'm going to blend it really nicely. Blend everything step by step. Do not wait for the end. Now I'm going to take the shade Play from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to apply it in the inner part of my eyelids. You can also apply any shimmer shade here, but why I'm using this light shade, because it will make the eyes pop and it will make them look bigger. That is a technique or a tip that you can use to make your eyes look bigger. Well, I'm almost done with my eye look. I'm just going to apply some shimmer shade in my inner eye corner, and the shades that I applied on my eyelid, I'll apply them on my lower eye area as well, like below my waterline. Some eyeliner, and yes, that would be it. Well, I really hope that you like this eye makeup look. One more thing guys, do let me know in the comments if you like to watch full face makeup tutorial or short tutorials like this one. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video.